otherwise the elephant, crocodile, those kind of they don't need lot of noise. So when you approach them, please take your time to try to respect them, and then also they respect us. Something. Is it good? Yes. And also the boat is full. So you find here in front here, I know everyone when you see anything, the elephant, anything want to take pictures, everyone will be too excited. Come here, maybe 10 of us come here or 5 come here, take pictures. Sometimes you find when you come here, especially when the boat is in motion, you find the front of the boat move there down and then it starts pumping water in, which is not good. So let's try to avoid that one also as well. And if it is 2 or 3, come here or 5, come take pictures and then quickly you go back on your seat. Is it good? Yeah. Good. And also another thing, we have got the life jacket. So if you feel like you are not good in the water all the time, you are not good swimmer like hippos, please, you grab life jacket all the time. No, I have the life jacket there or that thing behind there. So you can tell me, I bring for you the life jacket. But if you're a good swimmer like crocodile, please leave the life jacket, stay there. You know how crocodiles swim? They are quite very fast when they come in the water. So if you're a good swimmer like crocodile, leave the life jacket there. But we put it there in case, you know, though you're in the big boat, though we're in the water. So safety first. That's why you put the life jacket over the side. And also in this boat, we have got like the big red Ceylon boat. We have got some soda, water, beer, and yeah, the beer, Nile on the Nile. So if you're here in Victoria Nile, so when you take, why don't you take Nile on Victoria Nile? So when you go back to your country, say, oh, I was in Murchison, Victoria. Nile on that Victoria Nile. So everyone get too excited and say, I'll have to visit Africa. So we have it down there. So don't get so excited to ask. Don't ask Godwin, ask Isaac there, direct you to where the drink is. And also, lastly, after taking a lot of beer, maybe after the toilet, after the lady and get somewhere. Don't get too excited to ask. They will direct you down there. And lastly, when you are down on that test, sometimes don't go to left, don't kiss your leg, go down to the side. Really, so you put down there. Don't come to the left, go down to the left, and then go to the bottom. Find the bottom like this. Okay, so now, right, thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
They say it has to be lofty. Down to the ground. After police as well. After police, we have